मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज में अपने एक्टर्स को बनाया जाता है,
Exactly.
उनको बड़ा किया जाता है।
if you
और यहाँ
see,
पे
yeah,
आई डोंट नो उष्णा इफ यू अग्री विद दिस, यहाँ पे एक्टर्स बहुत मेहनत खुद कर रहे होते हैं बनने के लिए।
I think the actors are willing to do whatever they want, whatever they can, and whatever it is given to them. It's us who need to come up with fresher ideas and give them
Thank you,
more.
I agree. 100%.
Give them more to do with, and give them challenges. And I think nobody like you would not say no to anything which is a challenge.
I want to explore.
You would want to do
maximum,
that. I mean, say as you probably and.
I've rubbed dirt in my fingernails
Exactly.
and like walked barefoot.
So,
for the
so
sake of
I think there is a need for us to sort of challenge you guys.
अच्छा एक चीज़ पूछना चाहता हूँ, बड़ी ज़रूरी बात आई है मेरे ज़हन में। ये कभी कभी हम देखते हैं, ये लोग भी बहुत से पूछते हैं कि कोई ख़ास लोग होते हैं जो ख़ास डायरेक्टर के साथ, चाहे वो लोग सेलिब्रिटी हों, फेमस कम हों, लेकिन लड़कियां या लड़के वो उन्हीं डायरेक्टर की, अगर वो डायरेक्टर बहुत पॉपुलर उनके साथ जुड़ गए हैं तो उनको हर कमर्शियल मिल रहा है, जबकि जो डिज़र्विंग लोग हैं या जो डिज़र्विंग सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं या जो स्टार्स हैं या जो पॉपुलर मैसेज में लोग हैं उनको काम नहीं वो वाला मिल रहा था। तो ये कोई, इसके पीछे कोई साइंस है, कोई वजह है? जो कि मुझे रुशना को तो नहीं आती ये साइंस समझ।
We know how to burn bridges.
Yeah, burn bridges. ये क्या है?
I think probably there is a harmony between two individuals. Maybe working with you regularly will give me more confidence on you, so I would take you more than anybody else.
Okay.
But I guess there's a lot of other reasons as well. People probably have their likings and disliking. It's a very subjective form.
Okay.
Any art is a very subjective form. I said you can't tell me that this is wrong or right. I mean, it's just
बस ये कभी लगता है कभी कोई डिजर्व नहीं करता लेकिन उनको।
Yeah, but there is, of course, politically correct people, you know, at the right time, at the right space. But I guess working with somebody like for me, I've started working with people. Then
I've
I find
seen
them
you working with
interesting.
everybody.
Yeah, I work with them.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I have nobody coming in
Yeah.
in my ads like regularly.
Yeah.
I explore new talent. I work with
This
them.
is one reason that I wanted to talk to you because मैंने देखा कि हर एक के अपने अपने फेवरेट्स होते हैं। अच्छा उष्णा फिल्म की तरफ है अभी, सुना है कुछ कर रही हो, क्या कर रही हो फिल्म में कुछ है?
It keeps getting delayed,
Okay.
but inshallah I'll be doing a film. It doesn't have a title yet, but it's Sahi
All in
Wise.
good time, yeah. But
Yeah.
you've signed one.
I have signed one. After a long time, it's a film that, because I did one that was a disaster,
Achha.
because it never came out.
Okay.
It was never graded, edited, dubbed.
Okay.
It was shot and like, it was a great film on paper, but then
Okay.
nobody ever saw it. Like it's not out. It's just, its songs are somewhere on YouTube ungraded.
Okay.
It was like
Okay.
5-6 years ago.
Okay.
Then I got scared. Then I did a cameo in a film. I did like a party dance
Oh yeah, you
song.
look lovely in that.
Yeah, but then like everyone got so mad because it was not an item number. I was fully clothed. I
It's
wasn't
not an
that.
item
It was
number?
not an item number.
What
Nobody-
film was that?
It was Punjab Nahi
Punjab
Jaungi.
Nahi
And I
Jaungi, वो
loved
अच्छा
that
गाना
song. It
किया
was a
था।
party song.
Yeah,
A bunch of group of friends are dancing together. But like, I don't know, man. I just I feel like if I do a film now, I want to make everyone really proud. And so I've been waiting for something with the kind of content that makes my family really, really proud.
Sure.
Because, you know, I can sing and dance and I have nothing against singing and dancing. Power to everyone who does it. But they want me to do something with content that sort of raises some issues and questions, and that's what I want to do now. Like, I'm very particular about that. So I finally found a film that's doing that, so I'm excited. Yeah.
Okay, you're doing that. तो
Yeah,
डांस
finally.
वांस करने का कोई शौक नहीं?
I love
तो
dancing.
मेरे साथ क्यों किया था स्टेज पे?
नहीं,
हाँ,
I love
okay.
dancing. सिर्फ डांस करने का शौक नहीं.
Okay.
और तुम्हारे साथ जो किया था, जब मैं शुरू में आई थी, उसकी जो मुझे गालियाँ पड़ी हैं ऐसे घर से, और जो जूते पड़ने वाले थे, तुम्हारी सोच है, वो plus this. I haven't done a single stage performance since then. Do you know this? That was my first and last.
इतना बैकफायर वहाँ से किया।
Like you would think कि मैं पता नहीं किस मौलवी की फैमिली से हूँ, लेकिन I was like, no.
लेकिन तुम बहुत अच्छा कर रही थी, मतलब you performed well.
Did you like it?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was terrible. You're such a good dancer.
बल्कि मैं हैरान हुआ, मैंने सबको बोला कि उष्णा, I think you and Urva.
Urva
right?
was
तो मैंने
amazing.
बोला
You
कि
were so
दोनों
good.
Yeah.
It's
Where
like
was
you,
that?
That was an ARY
like 6 years back. 6 years
कोई
back, yeah.
awards थे.
अच्छा.
I was new. I was so excited.
फिल्म आप बताएं, what are you doing? फिल्म कर रहे हैं या अभी बहुत कुछ थोड़ी देर बाद प्लान है, क्या है?
The thing is, film is something we really need to crack, and I think we have to do it quickly because there is a lot of business waiting in the film market. Of course, we are also doing a film, but I'm taking my sweet time in it because I also want to do something which I can, hold my head high and say I did it. instead of hiding and saying I have nothing to do with
I have
it.
nothing to do with it. Yeah, exactly.
So we are also pushing probably end of the year in London and in Pakistan.
Okay,
So
lovely.
it's a collaboration with an English.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
That's
All the luck for that. All the luck for that.
Yeah.